Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. While you're here, make sure you go ahead over and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We are going to design our keychain from Sticker Mule for our stationery business. And I have been waiting to do this video that I could catch a Sticker Mule sale. I got this email just morning, and basically it says upgrade yours and get the 10 custom keychains for $19 plus free shipping. They often always do these discounts and these sales. I got an email for one of these to basically purchase it for the stationery business. When I click the link in that email, this is what will pop up. $19 for 10 keychains, custom 2x9, which is normally $26, and you get free shipping. And basically it tells you to order in the next 4 days to get this limited time offer. Also, I wanted to show you guys on the actual website page, most of the time when they have deals, it'll pop up here like this one did. And then if you want to get to the keychains, you're going to hit more, and then you'll see the custom keychains here. They also have the acrylic charms, and I'm going to wait until I get an email like that one to order the custom pins as well. I want to show you what like the normal price is since it said $26. For a 1x1 inch is $20 for 10. And then if I click on the 2x2, it's $26. So we're getting it for $19 and free shipping. I've already signed in. I'm going to go ahead and hit the order now button. And my artwork should already be up there, the small business owner. But I'm probably going to have to upload it again because we don't want our acrylic pen to show up with the twice of this design. I'm going to go ahead and choose my file to get my design here. I did move this just a tad bit closer so it's a little bit smaller. And normally when you do this, what happens, Sticker Mule will either send you an email or a text so that you can actually see your design. They'll send you a review of your design to make sure everything is good, that the keychain discount is applied here, the -$7. All right, so my order is confirmed. Again, they'll send you a proof of your design, and the only thing that we had to pay was sales tax, so it came out to $20.52. And once you get like the proof copy, you can, I think you confirm it. Again, it does, it says expect your proof within the next 4 hours. So you'll get it via email and text, and you approve it, and then that's when they'll confirm, take your payment. And then it says expected to arrive by June 30th. And of course, you guys know I'm going to unbox these keychains. I did see a trick where someone said that the back of these like to scratch easily. So I believe I have some Mod Podge, but I saw them use a little bit of Mod Podge to put on the back just to have it not scratch up. I do have keychains already from a design that I have in my business, but this is definitely a new one. Of course, these will be available in my Etsy shop for you guys to purchase as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video of showing you guys how to wait for a deal with Sticker Mule and how you can order your Sticker Mule keychains for your stationery business. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.